Good morning, students. So we have started with the lesson 9, the right clothes to wear. So from this lesson we got to know why we need to wear clothes and why clothes is important for us, and also we have discussed about how clothes are being made. Okay, so clothes are made from what? Fibers, and fibers may be of different types. One of the fiber is what? Natural fiber, and the other may be synthetic fiber. Okay, so all those we have discussed. Okay, and also we have discussed about the clothes and climate. Depending on the climate we wear different types of clothes. For example, in summer we wear light color clothes and cotton clothes, isn't it? And during winter we wear what? Woolen clothes, and we also wear dark colored clothes. And also during rainy season, what do we wear? We wear raincoat, and also we use umbrella. Okay, so all these are what? Different types of clothes which we wear depending on the climate. Okay, and today we shall continue with the topic clothes and work. Okay, so in different work we wear different clothes. Okay, so let's say many people wear special clothes to work. Okay, people wear special clothes for different reasons. Okay, reasons means why we are wearing different clothes in different work. Okay, so there are some reasons. First of all, it is given doctors and nurses. Okay, doctors and nurse, what do they wear? They wear white coats. Okay, white coats or uniforms so that dirt can be seen on them easily. Okay, they take care of sick people and their clothes need to be very clean. Okay, so we need to, when doctors and nurses, what do they wear? They wear white coats. Okay, this doctor is wearing coat, isn't it? White coat. Okay, even the nurse is wearing white coat. Okay, so now why they are wearing white coat? So that if any dirt और वी कैन से डर्टी, ओके, अगर थोड़ा सा भी गंदा लग गया कपड़ा में, तो अगर कपड़ा वाइट कलर है तो गंदगी डायरेक्ट दिख जाएगा, है ना. ओके, so that we can see the dirt which is touching in our cloth, so that we can see easily. That is why these doctors and nurses are wearing white clothes. Okay, because doctors and nurses, they must always be very careful. Okay, when they are treating the patient, isn't it? They must be very careful by wearing dirty clothes, by having dirty hands. They cannot go and check the patient. Okay, so that is why they must be very careful. Okay, they must be always neat and clean. Okay, again the next is what? Soldiers. Okay, soldiers means armies. Okay, what they wear? They wear a uniform made from tough cloth. Okay, tough cloth, as they have to live and work in very rough conditions. Okay, so soldiers, they are wearing what type of clothes? They are wearing tough clothes, means their clothes are not thin, okay, or not synthetic. Their clothes are what? Very thick. Okay, it is to be thick but not very hot type of cloth. Okay, means not woolen. Yeah, clothes are thick but it is not woolen. Okay, and they are wearing very strong kind of clothes, okay, which do not tear easily. Okay, and also they were see this one, printed. We call it as army printed, isn't it? So they wear this type of cloth. Why? Because they have to go to any kind of situation, anything happens, directly they have to go, isn't it? So even if they are in a duty, like in a forest or somewhere else, so they wear this type of clothes so that they can hide and keep an eye on the enemy. Okay, so these are the reasons why they are wearing rough and tough clothes. Okay, and next is what? Mechanics and factory workers wear overalls. Okay, mechanics means who are working in garages. Okay, and factory workers in big industries. There are different kind of factories, isn't it? So they wear what? Overalls. Okay, and this is the picture of overall dress. Okay, overall, this shirt and pant, it is attached. Okay, it is not different. ये एक ही कपड़ा है. ओके, शर्ट एंड पैंट दोनों अटैच है. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ओवरऑल. ओके, सो that no portions of cloth can get caught in the machines, as they are what? They are mechanic. That means they are working using machines and all, isn't it? So they are wearing overall clothes so that it do not become a disturbance for them. For example, if a worker is wearing kurta pajama, okay, kurta pajama, now if he is wearing kurta pajama, if the kurta means it may fly in the air, isn't it, it may fly, and if that kurta gets stuck in a machine, then what, it will be an accident for them, it will be a disturbance for them, isn't it? So that is why they are wearing this type of cloth, rough and tough, without any, so that they do not get any type of disturbances. Okay, then next is what, policeman. Okay, policeman, what they wear a special uniform so that they can be easily identified. Okay, policemen, they are wearing uniform, that is what color, it is called khaki color. Okay, see, this is the policeman. Okay, and this color is called khaki color. Okay, so why they are wearing this one, so that when we see a policeman, we can, how do we know, by looking his dress, isn't it, so that we know that okay, this person is a policeman because he is wearing this type of uniform. Okay, so to identify, to know that this particular person is a policeman. Okay, then even this traffic police, what they are wearing, they are wearing white shirt and black pant or navy blue pant. Okay, now why they are wearing white, mainly because they are police, yes, but they are for what, traffic police. Okay, for traffic. Okay, which they stay in a road. Okay, then next is what, you wear a uniform to school so that you can be identified as a student of your school. Okay, now you all are also a student, isn't it? So you are wearing what, you have a uniform in your school. Okay, so why you are given a uniform, why, because to know that you are a student from this school. Okay, your uniform is different, you are from what, Northeast Public School. Okay, your uniform is different, and the students who are going to Sacred Heart School, their uniform is different. Okay, so why uniforms are different, okay, from different school, so that we can know that okay, you are from Northeast Public School and those students are from Sacred Heart. Okay, so these are the reasons. Okay, then after that we have what, traditional dresses. Now what is traditional dresses? Okay, people in different parts of world wear different clothes. Okay, they are called traditional dresses. Okay, so different people living in different places are wearing different type of cloth. Okay, for example, Assamese people, what they wear mekhla chador. Okay, for example, any kind of Bengalis, okay, what they wear saris. And even the Rajasthani, the people from Rajasthan, what they wear ghagra. Okay, and for example, Boro people, what they wear dokhana. Okay, like that different people wear different type of dresses. Okay, Nepali you wear different type of dress. Okay, so these are different types of dresses. So here example is given with the picture. Okay, sari is the traditional dress worn by Indian women. Okay, in India the traditional dress is what, it is sari. Okay, and kimono is the traditional dress of Japanese women. Okay, in Japan women are wearing what, kimono, the traditional dress is called kimono. So here this is the photo of kimono dress. Okay, and this is the photo of sari. Okay, which is very familiar to us. Okay, then next is care of clothes, how we need to care our clothes. Okay, if you want your clothes to last longer, it is important to take care of them properly. Yes, we must take care of our clothes so that it does not get dirty, or no insects come and bites them, or no rat come and bite them, or no cockroaches come and bites them. Okay, so we must take care. How? Clothes should be washed with a detergent and rinsed properly before drying. Yes, first of all, what, we are wearing a uniform. After 2 days or after 1 day our uniform gets very dirty, isn't it? So what we do, we have to wash it. Now how we are using, we have to wash it by using a soap or detergent. Okay, so we have to wash, and also we have to wash with the water very clean, neat and clean. Okay, so that it remains safe. Okay, then clothes should be dried in the sun to kill germs. Now after washing we should always dry our clothes in the sunlight, where the sunlight touches the clothes. Okay, so that the germs in our clothes will die. Okay, because sunlight is what, it gives us heat, isn't it? Temperature ज़्यादा होता है. Okay, so temperature ज़्यादा होने से क्या होगा, microorganisms they will die. Okay, then woolen and silk clothes should be dry cleaned. Okay, dry cleaning is the cleaning of clothes with petrol and not with water. Okay, now care should be taken. Woolen and silk cloth, if we wash those clothes with water always, then these clothes will get damaged. So to avoid the damage of those clothes, what we have to do, we have to clean the woolen and silk clothes with means dry clean. We have to dry clean it. Okay, we must not wash with water. Okay, the next point is what, when you need to store woolen and silk clothes, you should store them properly with naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves to prevent them from getting damaged by moths and silverfish. So now we need to store the woolen and silk cloth, because we do not use the woolen and silk cloth every day, isn't it? Woolen clothes we wear only in the winter season, isn't it? And the rest of the year we have to keep it, isn't it? And silk clothes also we cannot use it every day, because silk clothes are very expensive. Okay, very expensive, and also it is very easy to get damaged. So we must be very careful to keep it. Okay, we must be very careful. So when we are keeping those woolen and silk clothes, how we must take care. Okay, so for that, to keep them properly, we need to use what, naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves. Okay, naphthalene balls we call it as, in our local language we call it as kurful. Okay, even in Assamese we call it as kurful. Okay, so uska ek scent hota hai. Okay, strong scent hota hai. Okay, because of that what happens, some insects, okay, some insects like this one, silverfish, this type of insect is called silverfish, and these are the mothballs. Okay, so these insects, what, it will not come to the place where you are keeping the cloth, because you are using what, naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves. Okay, so in this way we can preserve our clothes, we can protect our clothes. Okay, by using naphthalene balls. So here we have completed our lesson. Okay, so my dear students, please go through the lesson and try to understand the lesson, and also write all the question and answers which is given to you. Okay, thank you.